Hi, this is Brady and this is Bryce. We're going to talk to you today about some Grasshopper diesel mowers. So Bryce, why would somebody want to pick a diesel?
Well, there's a couple of reasons why. Diesel over the course of its life is going to last longer than a typical air-cooled engine, and the fuel safe. Grasshopper was the first lawnmower manufacturer to put a diesel engine in a lawnmower back in 1983. We've been still doing that for a long time. Well, a couple reasons why you pick a diesel engine over an air-cooled engine. First of all is longevity. We've got machines that have got 4, 5, 6, 7,000 hours as long as they're maintained. So the durability of the engine. The other reason would be the cost savings in the fuel over the course of the life of the machine as well. Grasshopper was the first manufacturer to introduce a diesel engine in a lawnmower back in 1983, exclusively using Kubota engines. This machine right here is one of our flagship machines. It's called the 325D. It's in our 300 series, and it's using a 25 horse Kubota diesel. The engine number is a D902. So the Kubota engines that we do use, they are Tier 4 compliant, but we do not run any of the emissions that are associated with some of our competitors, which drives the cost up of the machine. So both in our 300 series and our 400 series, those two machines do not have any EPA on them.
What about the weight?
Oh, I'm glad you asked that. So when we're comparing with other manufacturers out there that are offering a diesel engine option in their machine, we're between 200 to 500 pounds lighter per machine, which helps with a couple of things. It helps with compacting your turf. More weight's going to compact your turf in wet conditions. And then when we're doing hillside conditions, the heavier you are, the more apt you're going to have issues on the hill. So a lighter machine's going to perform better.
And then this mower, you can run 52-inch, 61, and 72, where this one here is just 61 and 72, correct?
That is correct. The 400 series is going to have a wider chassis and only takes a 61 and a 72.
What's the difference in this machine and that one as far as the pump and wheel motors?
Okay, so at Grasshopper, we want to make sure that we build the machine and put the correct hydraulics for that particular machine. So the 300 series is going to have 16cc pumps on 24-inch tires. Okay? We want to make sure that we're making those pumps live as long as they possibly can. So we're not really concerned at going 14, 15 miles an hour. Top speed on the machine is going to be about 11. We want to make sure that this machine, the hydraulics are going to live for a long, long time. Your 400 series, everything gets a little bigger. We go to a 1.3 liter diesel. We go to 21cc pumps and 26-inch tires.
Another feature I wanted to point out on the 400 series is the hydraulic deck control.
Yes, so on the 400 series, it's got a couple of features that are actually standard on. So we've got the lights, the LED lights that are standard, and then we've got the electric deck lift to adjust your height of cut, which also can be added on the 325D.
Thank you, Bryce, for explaining the differences of our Grasshopper diesel mowers. And remember, it's all good at Tom Wood.
That's right. Man, I butchered that up bad.
That's all right.
What?
You didn't do the that's right.
Oh, you know what?
That's great.
That's what everyone was like. Everyone I seen your video, that's right. Like, what? I didn't even know I said it.